Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for car accessories business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as you know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first enter the site. Now create a new site. Now search for your business or website type. Car accessories. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So now if you want to add here, if you you have to add your business name. Next, do you already have an online store? Choose one here. So next, here what will you like to sell? Physical products or dropshipping products or services, digital products. So choose as you like. Where do you like to sell? Online store or my mobile app or in person. So choose as you like here if you want to customize. So continue to dashboard. Now design your site here. How would you like to design your site? If you want to customize a design template, or if you want to let Wix create a site for you. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, pick a template. So here if you want to choose any template here you want. For example this. Now wait a few seconds. Here add some details about your site. Car accessories. Now create your site text. Create a text for your site. Wait a few seconds. And now here if you want to edit your website, you can move it down. You can also move it up as you like. So the first section here, the header, you can do a quick edit here if you want to change strip background, the color. For example, if you want to change the color gray like this, so here if you want to change your paragraph, this is the search bar, you can change it here. So let's close this and let's move on to the next section, the banner section of the website. You can edit from here. You can change the section background, the title, and the button here if you want to add another button here, the label. So let's close this. Next section, this if you want to edit it from here, quick edit. You can change the section background, the strip background, for example this, the image, the paragraph, and the button. So that's like all the previous, all of them has the same thing here. Has the paragraphs and the button and the section background. So let's skip this. If you want to add the elements on your website, click here. select any element here you want. If you want to add image or button, the size or the shape of the button here, if you want to manage them, text and icon button, the icon buttons, the image buttons, document buttons, iTunes buttons, and Wix chat buttons here. If you want to add a strip, decorative, box, gallery. So that's it. Let's move on. If you want to add a section, just click here and select any section you want. For example, testimonials or clients or services or promotion. So that's it. If you want to edit your page and the menu, you can add a page here. So that's it. Now let's close this. If you want to edit the site design here, the color theme, if you want to change the theme, just click here, select any theme here you want. So if you want to add apps, click here. Now wait a few seconds. So here you can search apps, any apps you want here, marketing, sell online services and events. So that's it. Let's close this. If you want to manage your business, click here. Here you can edit your Wix bookings, the Wix blog, the Wix forms and payments. If you want to add a new form, manage submissions, and if you want to view more templates, here if you want to manage the Wix members area, if you want to add a member page, also here you can manage member page, you can add member elements, here you can customize member profiles, you can create badges, and here if you want to manage members also you can manage Wix chat. If you want to go to settings, open inbox and schedule chat hours. If you want to set up email notifications, and here if you want to create the chat automations, Wix site search. If you want to customize search results, customize design. Here if you want to add a question and answer, manage here this the facts, customize display, customize layout and customize design. So here if you want to edit the media, if you want to upload your media here, Facebook or Instagram or Google Drive. And the last thing here is if you want to easily manage your site content, here if you want to add the site, if you want to add to your site. So now after you're done from editing your website here as you like, just click here publish and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.